Welcome loves to my YouTube channel. My name is VassaOlga. I moved in with my parents as I promised in the previous video. This is the look that we're recreating. Love it so much. You can create it with absolutely different eyeshadows, different eye colors. I will be breaking down this makeup routine, this makeup tutorial for you guys today, and I am gonna tell you that I love the routine because it has this sexy line that we're gonna be doing with absolutely different colors, and we're just adding the shade really close to the lash line, and it's bringing this sexiness to the look. I hope you love it. I hope you're gonna recreate it, and without further ado, let's get started. We're gonna be priming my lid first with NYX eye primer. Let's do that for both eyes. And then we're gonna set the lid as always. I just love when it's set, when it's not moving, and any liner, black pencil that you're gonna be using further, it's just not gonna crease quickly and it's not gonna smash out easily. That is the main reason why I'm gonna be going to this e.l.f. This is Mint Melt Eyeshadow Mint to Be palette. And yeah, it's gonna be this shade. I will set my lid. You can use any color underneath. It can be white as a base, it can be nude color, or it can be something absolutely different like, I don't know, hot pink, hot red, hot, I don't know, like blue, whatever color you can pick. I'm gonna grab my black pencil. It's better to use something that is not super waxy. It's not gonna smudge out easily, but at the same time you have to pick something that is gonna be blendable. And I'm gonna go to the black pencil. I have no idea what brand this is because I have like no idea. It wiped off completely. It's really old, and if I'm not mistaken, my cousin gave it to me. And then I will just go really close to my lash line and create a line. The line is on, and now I will try to make sure that it's wing out. It doesn't have to be like a perfect wing. Right now we're gonna have to create some sort of shape. I am going with the same pencil, and then I will try to create like a shape. But this is something that is going to be like base for my future liner, and then I will try to go over the same black pencil in this line to smudge this out, blend a little bit out. I don't really want to bring this really high. We don't really want to put this to the crease. It's definitely going to stay the same way it is right now. Wing this out, create like a shape. It's going to be something like that. And then I will go to my black eyeshadows. These are from Loreal, and this is color Infallible. Really beautiful black color with shimmers, and then I will place it on top of this black pencil. And the trick here is to create like this dimension that we need for this colorful blended eye look, but it's going to be a little bit later with some different colors. Right now I will do a little bit of black. Let me go to an angle brush, and then I will grab a little bit of this shade, place it on top over. I really want to intensify the black shade. But it's not going to be crazy, it's just a little bit of color. We will place on top the color that we want to emphasize. This is going to be with a short, sort of thick brush, and then you can go to any color. It can be this dark shade. I will probably go with this one, and if I need a little bit of this minty color, I will place it on top. If you have a little bit different shade, you can go with this one. As the final step over this black pencil, I will choose something a little bit darker than the set color, than the color that we used to set my lid. That is the main reason why I'm going to this really beautiful greenish, sort of grayish color, and then I will go with the same brush and then place it on top. That is the main reason why I wanted to add a little bit of black color underneath, so it's a little bit more visible. It's not going to be easy to replace, it's not going to be easy to wipe off, and yeah. On top of that, I will go with the same beautiful minty shade, and then I'm going to place it on top. I will clean the color, mix this together so it's not gonna look like a huge blotchy shade. It's gonna be well blended. Over my brow bone, I will go with the same eyeshadow palette, but I'm gonna use a little bit different color. Minty shimmer. And use it right here. Okay, let me use the same shade for my lower lid. I'm gonna tap it off and then place it in the outer corner right here, and I'm just gonna connect two lines, and then with a little bit different brush I want to diffuse and blend everything out. If you feel like it's too much color, just tap with your finger, some shimmers in the inner corner. And right now I will go to my mascara. This is from Essence. I love Crazy Volume mascara. You can use any mascara available. And with this type of liner, I actually really love doing some falsies. I'm gonna do the same stuff for my left eye, and I'll be back to conclude my video and to show you something different. Okay guys, I'm finally back with this complete makeup look. If you're interested how I did the lip combination, the lip color, lip contour, check out my next video that's gonna be uploaded really soon this week. And this is my ultimate routine that I do every single time, every single video. In my next video, I will be explaining how I do this perfect lip contour. Stay tuned, you're gonna be loving this routine. And I hope this tutorial was helpful as well. This is my guide how to create really beautiful, colorful liner, colorful eyeshadow look with black eyeliner underneath. And I don't really want to bore you anymore. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and I'm gonna see you in my next video, hopefully guys. Bye bye.